Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Etsy SEO for product titles and tags, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Etsy SEO for product titles and tags, start by researching relevant keywords. Use tools like Etsy's search bar to identify popular search terms related to your products. Look for auto suggestions that appear as you type in the search bar. These suggestions indicate what buyers are actively searching for. Next, analyze your competitors' product listings. Take note of the keywords they use in their titles and tags. This can give you valuable insights into effective keyword usage. Once you have gathered a list of potential keywords, prioritize them based on relevance. Focus on keywords that accurately describe your product and match buyer intent. Now, let's move on to crafting your product title. Incorporate your primary keyword towards the beginning of the title. Aim to keep the title clear and descriptive while maintaining a natural flow. Avoid keyword stuffing, as this can negatively impact readability and SEO. Consider the character limit. Etsy allows 140 characters for titles. Make sure your most important keywords are included within that limit. Next, we'll focus on product tags. Etsy allows up to 13 tags for each listing, so use them wisely. Use a mix of singular and plural forms of your keywords. Include synonyms and variations to reach a broader audience. Think about phrases buyers might use and include long-tail keywords. For example, instead of just jewelry, consider handmade silver jewelry. Now that you've opted, ensure they accurately reflect the product and appeal to your target audience. Consider any seasonal trends or events that might influence search behavior. Regularly update your titles and tags based on feedback and performance data. Utilize Etsy's stats to see which keywords are driving traffic to your shop. Finally, aim for a holistic approach by optimizing your product descriptions and images as well. This ensures consistent messaging and enhances your overall shop visibility. By following these steps, you'll effectively enable Etsy SEO for your product titles and tags. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.